The following message is transmitted by request of the Los Angeles Police Department. A bomb has just been detonated near the finish line of the LA Summer Marathon Walk. 8 people are believed to have been killed in the explosion, and over 50 more injured. Authorities are unsure whether or not this is an act of terrorism, and if more bombs are expected to detonate. For your safety, all residents of Los Angeles are advised to remain in their homes and do not go outside until further notice. Stay tuned to media outlets for more information. The following message is transmitted by request of the Los Angeles Police Department. This is an update to the situation at the LA Summer Marathon Walk. A second bomb has been detonated at a building just a mile away from the marathon, causing mass destruction and 42 more people to be injured. Police are yet to determine who is responsible for these attacks and are working as hard as possible to prevent more innocent people from being harmed. All residents of Los Angeles receiving this broadcast should continue to remain in their homes until an all clear is given. Stay tuned to media outlets for the latest details on this deadly situation. The following message is transmitted by request of the United States government. Another bomb has been detonated in the city of Los Angeles, California. This has been confirmed to be a terrorist attack on the United States. A total of 147 people have been injured, with only 8 people killed. All residents of Los Angeles must continue to remain in their homes and to not let anyone in or out of your home. Authorities are still unsure as to who is responsible for these attacks, and concern is growing regarding the situation. The president will be speaking on all channels shortly. Stand by for this message. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable stations shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WNBC. We will continue to serve the Los Angeles area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Los Angeles area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated.